I'm Edler. I'm the IoT Manufacturing Application Leader, and I want to assist you on your path to sustainability. As an industry leader, Emerson is constantly striving to discover innovative methods to become more energy efficient. As part of these sustainability efforts, we've invested strategically in our own locations, resulting in tremendous reductions in energy consumption. We completely understand the skeptical nature of such endeavors. But we are excited to work closely with partners across the globe to help you overcome the common objections and take the necessary steps towards safe and reliable sustainability while maintaining performance. While others may offer some degrees of analytic capabilities, no one else in the market can deliver analytics the way we do. We don't just supply you with data. Instead, we not only analyze the data, but we present it to you in a customizable manner in real time. We enable you to view how much energy is being used at the individual machine level or across the entire factory, all available in the moment or for a defined time interval of your choosing. Whether it be the past 24 hours, a certain day or week, or anything else you might need to access. In addition, you can immediately gain awareness of an issue, such as leakage, or when a machine is still using some energy when it's actually switched off after hours or when the plant is shut down. In one specific instance, we have been installing an Aventics series AF2 airflow sensor on a machine to monitor the compressed air consumption. By using our own technology, we were able to discover the machine wasn't running efficiently, using more energy than it should because of leakage. With the insight, our team managed to eliminate the leakage, enabling the machine to be more productive while using less energy and create greater sustainability. Once we realized this benefit, the AF2 was installed on all other machines throughout the plant to ensure similar energy consumption gains while concurrently enhancing productivity and performance. To date, we have deployed this capability for various Emerson manufacturing facilities in countries such as Germany, Switzerland, and Singapore, with many more planned. At Emerson, we practice what we preach. We are taking the responsibility to make our own factories more energy efficient, and we can do the same for you as we help you realize your sustainability goals for today and into the future. For more information, please visit us on emerson.com.